balance of your money?
How much is that?
4,000 naira. Ah, what happened to your colleague?
Jay,
Ask him.
Jay,
What happened to you?
help us. There is
I got into a fight with him yesterday over the fact that his customer came all the way from Aja to Ikeja here just to install a software. And I told the guy, I said, no, this can be done remotely.
Is that even possible? He needs to bring his laptop here. I do bring my here too.
Oh. And that was why I tested the microphone yesterday. This is even the beginning. In fact, I'm not renting that shop again.
Ogajo, calm down.
It is 100% possible.
How?
All you need to do is, you that wants to render help, my hand.
Sorry.
You that wants to render help to another person, you go to any Aboki store close to you and download this app, TeamViewer.
Okay.
The person you want to render help to will go to Aboki store too and then download this quick support.
Okay.
Once that is done, you'll have this new interface.
Okay.
You're going to ask, just take this one.
Okay, sorry.
So tell me what you see on the screen, okay? So I'll give you support now.
Okay.
All right? Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on search and connect.
Okay.
Is there any number on your screen?
Yes.
Okay, please call for me.
615.
Okay.
644.
Okay.
680.
Okay. So because I've connected it before,
Okay.
all right, I don't need to type it again. I just have to click here and then click on connect.
Okay.
Now wait for a few seconds. Tell me what you see on the screen.
There's a message.
Okay.
Verify this user.
Absolutely. Because, you know, all these guys, they can use that opportunity to, you know, do something. So you need to be careful of the person you grant access.
Okay.
So click on verify me and then continue.
Okay. There's a message here.
Okay.
They said I trust this person and allow immediate access to my device.
Yes.
Okay. Allow access.
Okay, so you wait for a few seconds again.
It says start recording.
So go ahead.
Okay.
And boom, you have it here.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Absolutely.
Wow.
So whatever help I want to offer to you, I can do it here, including installing software, including helping you to chat with, let's say you're my PA and you're chatting with our client, and I want to step in and chat with the client so that I could actually, you know, have a better, you know, explanation on a particular product. I can do it here.
Wow.
And guess what? You can do this with even your laptop.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. So what is difficult with this?
This is awesome.
Oh my God!
If not for community guidelines,
God have mercy upon us.
Nah. Did you see that? I told you to follow me and I'll show you that what technology cannot do does not exist.